In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mathematics question paper using Google Forms in just 5 minutes. Now, Google Forms is a fantastic tool for creating all sorts of forms quickly and efficiently, and creating a math question paper is no exception. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive, which you can easily access by opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a new button on the upper left side of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Google Forms. This will open up a new tab and you'll be presented with a couple of options. For this task, we'll choose blank form since we're looking to start from scratch. Once your blank form opens up, it's time to give it a name. Be sure that the title is something that reflects the content, like Chapter 1 Math Quiz or Midterm Math Assessment. It will make organising and locating these forms later on much easier. Next, you can start adding questions. You'll see a default question already in place. Click on it to begin editing. Google Forms allows for a variety of question types. For this example, we select multiple choice from the drop-down menu. If your questions are more diverse, feel free to explore other options like short answer or paragraph to fit different question formats. Now, if you're dealing with complex equations, you'll want a tool to make math equations easier to manage. For this, we recommend installing an extension called Equasio. Search for Equasio for Chrome in Google, click on the link to the Chrome web store, and then hit Install Extension. It's pretty straightforward and integrates seamlessly with Google Forms. After installing the extension, head back to your Google form. You'll notice a new option for inserting math. If you click on Extension, you'll be able to set up your math equation right below where your question content is. Once you've inserted the math equations into your question, be sure to click Insert Math to add it to your form. Remember, now that the equation is within the form, you have a powerful tool to write detailed math questions. And don't forget to take advantage of the option to preview your form. Simply click on the eye icon at the top right corner to see exactly how your students will view it. With these few steps, you're all set to create insightful mathematics questions using Google Forms. This tech-savvy approach not only streamlines the process, but ensures clarity in how equations are presented. And there you have it, a professional approach to creating a math questionnaire in no time at all. Happy creating!